Kia ora. Welcome to the Learning Centre at the Sustainable Living course in Golden Bay, New Zealand. I am your tutor for the earth building and I'm holding the key ingredients in my hand: sand, straw and clay, subsoil. How exciting is it that this can be found all over the world, everywhere. It is one of the most sustainable building materials, locally sourced. This is grown here in Golden Bay by a farmer. And what can be created with this? Long-standing earth buildings. Just look around the world. There are some that are thousands of years old. You are going to learn what can be made out of these three ingredients and look at the creativity that can be expressed with these materials. I would like to talk more about how we mix these ingredients and what we can do with this. And this is by showcasing what the students have already done and what has been taught at this course. So the sand, the clay and the straw can be mixed in different compositions. If we do more straw, then we can make light earth walls. It is straw coated in mud slip. A great way of making internal walls, soundproof walls and really highly insulated walls. Then we have cob here behind me. Cob takes more mud, more sand, less straw. Another way of mixing these three components is to make earth bricks, sometimes called adobe. These are sun-dried bricks. We make them, we dry them, and at the end of the course we assemble them into a wall. With a cob plaster with more sand as a mortar to bring them together and create a wall. Next to this wall is an example of plastering. This is the last layer that uses only sand and mud, clay. And as you can see, that makes it smooth. And there are many other things that you can do with this to make it creative, that we are going to show you next. Here's an example of what to do while you are plastering or when you put on the last layer of cob. And that means that anything can be put in there. You can put mosaic in there, or what you saw before, the bottles. And this makes that an earth building becomes a very unique house with your handprint in there. Your unique expression of your own creativity.